Alright everyone, sorry it's a little dark right now. It's going to be much better once we get outside, but we are doing, I guess, some snow shenanigans. As you can see, it snowed like a ton. Like there's snow everywhere. Yeah. And, so yeah, I'm heading up to meet a couple guys now, and we're going to meet up with a couple more dudes, and then we should have a pretty fun time in the snow. So hopefully this nice little snow content video will get you guys, I guess, kind of excited for the snow. I mean, I'm not excited, but I'd rather it snow and have fun with it than not snow and be cold. So I'll get back to you guys when we get to this, to the meeting point. So yeah, there's a lot of snow out, guys, right now. Hopefully you can see this well, but like, it's kind of blizzarding, and they haven't really done much to the roads at all. They push some of the snow away from the roads, but like other than that, like there's not much going on right now. Luckily it's not like blizzarding so I can see, but like there's very few cars on the road, and I can see how the thruway is when we get up there. But yeah, there's a train coming, of course. Great, that's exactly where I have to go. Crazy, like this is a main highway, like this is the I-90. There is no one on this. I don't think I've ever seen it this dead, and it's not even that bad out yet. We're supposed to get worse tomorrow, so it's gonna be even better for drifties and fun tomorrow. There's some cars that going on the other side, but like the way I'm going, there's nothing. It is super nuts to have no cars on here, especially 'cause it's only like 7 o'clock. Guys, well, we are here. This is the meeting spot we're doing. We're here in the parking ramp. Apparently everyone's up on the 4th floor, so we're gonna go check out who's here right now. Gonna see and have some fun with this. There definitely isn't many people out right now. It's pretty fucking dead, but hopefully this should be a good night. There probably isn't gonna be too much interference, I don't think. It being horrible out, and parking lots are going to be dead and empty, and there's going to be no one anywhere. I believe so, at least. I mean, driving here, I saw that. I was stuck behind some plows on like the thruway. They're going like 20 miles an hour, but like, let's see what we got coming up. Level 3. Here we go, boys. BMW, a couple Golf R's. What's going on? What are we doing? BMW and 2 Golf R's. That's all that met up for the moment. We're gonna go find some more people to meet up at the parking lot, but it should be a good time. One of the Golf R's has an exhaust, the other does not, which is stock. The N52 is like apparently fully like straight pipe and everything like that. So it's rear-wheel drive though too. It should be interesting. So maybe we get stuck out to tow them out. But hopefully I get some spins in on my truck too, and then we'll see how these cars do in the snow. It's gonna look pretty sweet. Hopefully Tesla and stuff will come out. I know the Model X will be awesome in the snow with all that torque, and yeah, so we'll get back to you guys when we get there. Here we go, guys. Got some all-wheel drive fun. Uh-oh. N52 rear-wheel drive is not going to be great for not getting stuck. If he gets stuck, I'm going to have to pull him out, I guess, but he's stuck in the middle. There we go. Oh, we go. He's moving. It doesn't even sound like it's running. Right? So we just did a little stop, McDonald's. So we're gonna go find another spot to go to. It's not super far away, but we just still have us 4. No one else that gets showed up. We're gonna try to get some more people, probably another day, but hopefully we'll get some more cool slides and no more cop issues. We haven't seen any yet. It's pretty snowy out, but yeah, I'll get back to you when we get to the new spot. The new plan is we're going to a road. It's a back road and pretty curvy. I'm gonna jump in one of the Golf R's and we're gonna be just go ripping on these curvy roads. That thing wasn't doing anything at all, so like he gets stuck in rear wheel driving all season. This is not a good choice. But so yeah, we're gonna go take a quick ride up there. I'm gonna jump in, I think it's the blue Golf R, and I'm just gonna get some good footage of ripping through these roads sideways. It's gonna be fun as hell. So hopefully it should be fun. I just said it was gonna be fun, but let's go. That's perfect, so you don't break the speed limit.
Yeah, exactly. To have fun in the dry on this, you have to risk going to jail, which nobody wants to do.
Yeah, right. That's how it was with my car, though. Ready to get up to speed.
Yeah, it's in a Tim Hortons parking lot right now. Faster today, but it's a lot better.
Yeah, it's
deer.
Yeah, well, yeah, deer, and then it's snowing decently.
It's actually the roads maybe a little about the same or a little better than
Oh, really?
yeah. Everything was more slush, which is less predictable.
Yeah, if it's packed down and you have a
I'm trying to make sure he knows.
Yeah.
Just slide through that stop sign. Things can get ugly.
Wait for him back there. Oh, there he is.
I have the advantage of knowing the road.
Yeah. You have a cool mappy thing in the middle.
Yep.
I don't know if this has that.
Turn traction control off now. Got a good feel for the road.
Practice run. Yeah, this thing doesn't even feel the snow. It's just like my I had a STI before. With snow tires, I think it was a tank. I didn't feel anything.
Unfortunately, the all-wheel drive isn't as good as an STI, but still plenty of fun. It's a better all around. It's a better car.
Yeah, I'd get one of these before I bought another STI for sure. Performance monitor.
Since the rear end's always coupling and decoupling, it's hard to get it to stay in a drift, you know?
Yeah. It's not symmetrical.
Yeah, it's fun. I drive for a living, so
Oh, really?
I spend like 48 hours a week in my car.
It's nice to have all these little features in it.
Yeah, it's like easier. Just pulling all that. It can make your day really bad if you don't pay attention. either turn around or we'll cross over the bridge. And the other side of the bridge has got some curves, not quite as much fun. But the nice thing is then you're also in another county too, so if you piss anybody off.
Going county to county.
Yeah. Took him a moment to catch up, didn't it?
Yeah, he's a...
Same car, same tires.
It's pretty far back.
No, I told him though, I was like, take it easy. If you don't know this road, it'll bite you.
Yeah, that's a...
Be a little more tame this time, probably.
I'm surprised they don't use like the same quattro setup that Audis have on these.
Yeah. These have a driveline that I don't fully understand. I would like to say it has a real LSD up front, but some sort of weird situation. He's an engineer, maybe he knows better.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. As far as I really know, that it pretty much just uses the brakes to simulate an LSD. And it does it pretty good, but after you drive like this, you smell the brakes burning up really bad.
Yeah. Melt the brakes on these turns and
Yeah, because when you're hitting the throttle, it's hitting the brakes all around.
Definitely is. It sucks that like it doesn't snow like this more often.
Right?
The first snowstorm this year. It makes me want to buy something like small and all-wheel drive just for this, but like for the 2 or 3 that we have a year.
We have like an 08 or older, like a WRX would be ideal, but even just like an Impreza or Outback or Forester.
Yeah, I mean,
good. But if you get an 08 or older, you can get one with a LSD in the rear. That makes all the difference.
150 horsepower is well enough to play on this too, so it's not like I need the turbo.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the turbo's not doing me any good right now in this.
I don't know. I just have too many projects.
Yeah.
Building LS for an E30. I want to make like an E30, just like drift car.
That'd be fucking sick. 50 grand later.
Yeah, right. Well, I have a 4.8 LS that I'm basically just gonna refresh a little bit and maybe slap a small turbo on it, Chinese turbo, and just send it, make 500 horsepower and I'll be happy, and the E30 will fly. Just got the E30 down to nothing, put a roll cage in it. And
no, I knew a guy that had a 5.0 in a E30. Maybe it was E35. I don't even know the difference, to be honest. We'll wait for him real quick.
wait for him. Put a grand or two, and it just doesn't matter what motor's in, if it runs, if you're swapping it. Turbo in my truck just why not?
Yeah.
Run a little boost on that.
If I'm not mistaken, they make turbo kits for that.
They do, yeah.
Cheap.
Yeah, like you get a brand new kit for like $2 grand.
Yeah, and it runs like 10 psi, and that's all you ever need.
Yeah, and you make 500 horse on 10, so it's like, okay.
Yep.
There's too many projects. Not enough time, space, money.
Money's always a brick wall I run into. I can always find more time and space.
Yeah, that's true.
Eventually I could be like, fuck, I want to drop another $2,000 on this vehicle.
Exactly, it's like...
I'm going to end up with a $3,000 motorcycle that has a $5,000 motor in it.
I mean, it'll be fast as hell and sweet, so...
Yeah.
What kind of motorcycles do you have now?
A Buell.
Which is, how much of CC and stuff?
1200.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's worth like roughly $3,000, but I love the bikes. They're just unreliable pieces of shit. So I gotta go and fix.
Got for tonight, guys. It was pretty fun. I wish it makes me want to have a small all-wheel drive car again, like he said, but like, for as much as we really get storms like this and the roads we can have fun on, it's like not really worth it. I guess if I can pick one up cheap, then why not? But I'm not gonna go out and buy something super expensive. The Golf R was super nice. I would love to do like a review on that. It was super techy and cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.